Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by measuring and protecting your site. Run Lighthouse or Page Speed Insights to capture the current speed index so you know progress. Next, make a full backup of files and database. Use your host snapshot or a backup plugin to avoid data loss. Then create a staging environment and move a copy there. You will make changes safely off production. Once done, collect the audit report and the backup confirmation before proceeding to plugin and asset changes. You now tackle the heavy lifting. First, extract critical CSS for above the fold and load the rest to sync or deferred so render blocking resources drop. Next, convert and compress images to WebP, add responsive src set, and lazy load off-screen images to cut bytes. Then set up a caching stack, page cache, object cache, and a CDN to serve static assets from the edge. Make sure to purge caches after changes, and verify requests are minimized in the staging audit report. You finish by validating and stabilizing. Run Lighthouse or web page test to compare the new speed index and layout shift metrics versus your baseline. Tune server settings, upgrade PHP, optimize PHP FPM pools, add DB indexes, and rearrange plugin load order to reduce boot time. If performance regresses, roll back the staging snapshot, then re-enable optimizations one at a time to isolate the culprit. Finally, review server and plugin logs for errors. This single troubleshooting step solves most hidden regressions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.